The end of the year is the perfect moment to optimize investments and support your company's growth. An investment that starts working immediately delivers tangible benefits from day one. While many suppliers require a waiting period of up to half a year, our delivery time is as short as 7 days. At Otinus, machines are available right off the shelf. We operate one of the best stocked warehouses in the industry. With consistently maintained inventory levels, we can fulfill orders immediately without waiting for production slots or overseas transport. Our offer includes a wide selection of machines available right now, ready to be implemented in your facility. This means new equipment can start working almost immediately after purchase. As a result, companies enter their production rhythm sooner and begin generating revenue earlier. We also offer equipment at pre-tariff prices, allowing you to secure highly competitive rates before upcoming market adjustments. The Otinus technical team provides comprehensive support both during commissioning and throughout later use. Our service response is fast and tailored to the situation, remote or on-site. Support remains available even after the warranty period ends. If you want to close your annual budget efficiently and launch production without delays, Otinus is the right choice. Got questions? Call us at 630-302-1532 or email us at info@otinus.com.